Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to center our view on an object in Blender. First things first, should select the object, then go over view, then frame selected. And when you try to rotate like this is gonna be just focused on that object. Move the cursor out of the drop down menu and now let's press key to add quick favorites, and we have frame selected like this. Move the cursor. If you have a numpad, we can just press or delete key on numpad or by pressing this button shown here. But now let's see how to center the view on the scene in Blender. Navigate to view, go over here, then frame selected, then frame all as shown here. Right click on frame all and click on add to add quick favorites, hit Q. Go over here, then view. Right click over here to add quick favorites like this. Hit Q button, then you can frame all or frame selected. This is just frame selected. By hitting Q, and you can frame all like this, and as shown here in this tutorial. And that's it, thanks for watching.